Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the circuit is dead with voltage mode, safety first. Next, set your multimeter to continuity or low ohm range so you get a clear beep or numeric reading when continuity exists. Inspect the device or outlet and pick a reliable ground point, typically the green screw, conduit, or metal chassis. Once done, expose the connections you'll test, but do not disconnect wiring unless required. Make sure your probes and hands are steady and insulated. Start by clipping or touching the COM probe to your verified ground reference. This creates the return path for the meter. Then touch the positive probe to each target ground location, the outlet ground, chassis, or conduit, and listen for the beep or watch the low ohm reading. If you see near 0 ohms, the continuity is solid. Small fractions of an ohm are fine. Once you've covered all points, move probes deliberately to avoid shorting adjacent conductors, and log any unexpectedly high readings for follow-up. Finish by restoring any covers and re-energizing the circuit only when safe, and verify system behavior under normal conditions if required. If you found high resistance or no continuity, tighten loose ground screws, remove corrosion, or replace damaged wires. Cleaning contact surfaces often fixes the issue. Make sure to retest after each fix. If problems persist, use an alternate ground path or a dedicated continuity tracer to locate breaks inside conduit or cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.